Hmm. Baby, you da-da-da-da-da.
Oh, are you vlogging from the start? Oh.
Your first words coming from you. Alright, let's prep for departure. You can hold the camera, it's fine.
Okay. Well, I'm guessing it's recording.
Yep, it's recording.
Okay.
What kind of wrong thing though?
What I'm doing with the whole taping thing.
Peeping.
Taping, filming. Gorgeous.
There.
Well, that sound, I guess, is a sound of something that is fitting right, just right.
Let me slowly, I don't know, lift it up into position maybe.
Yeah, I got strong muscles. I can lift up my own back just like that. Yes. Oh, there it is. Ready to go.
All right, so this is us, me and Gaga, having our first attempt at vlogging. It's meant to be a podcast, but as far as today's concerned, let's just call it a vlog.
Baby steps.
Yeah, taking baby steps.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, as you're recording, you don't even need to shout because the mic is right there. Don't forget, like, it's right there.
Oh, that's right. I was trying to shout to the camera.
Nah. All right, so what time did Gaga came at home at around,
No, I should have maybe.
oh, that was 5.
Yeah, 5.
Yeah, but
Ish.
the whole bike prepping thing and the journey all the way up to here until now, we're currently taking off at
5:58.
5:58. So let's just say the ride begins at 6.
Yeah.
The sun is pretty much already out. Bora Bora gives us.
We missed the cool sunrise.
I don't think I should out the guy. Nah. No. Yeah, but the ride begins at Bora Bora. And yeah, let's just see how this goes.
Very generous man. Very sweet man. Yeah.
It wasn't.
Okay, whatever.
Because if the owner sees this later, you know. All right, I'm gonna try to keep the camera on a selfie stick for a good portion of the ride and then switch it out to my chest mount a little later on, but
do we want these ones?
Hmm?
We want those ones, right?
yeah, flashing. The thing is super, super, super bright.
What?
The light, yeah. Make it face downwards.
Okay.
Let's have Gaga take the lead, Sha. This is probably our third ride so far.
Yeah.
On the same route, so I'm pretty much used to it.
Well, the first time it was lesser distance.
Is a soldier.
What?
Huh? I'm saying you're a soldier.
A soldier. Well, we're seeing some. So.
Nah, she's comfortable riding. She's comfortable riding. She has the whole thing on lock, really. I mean, look at her go.
Well, I'm pretty bummed we missed the sunrise.
I don't know. I think the camera's probably picking it up. I don't know. Can you guys see the sunrise in the back?
No, it's cloudy.
It's cloudy.
Yeah, when we got here, it was really nice.
That yellow.
Yeah, and there was a purple when I did the pickup. But, yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know. This being the first vlog, it's not going to be as perfect, but I don't know. We'll see how it turns out during editing.
Yeah.
So I already feel like switching out the camera to the chest already. I'll probably film a little when we get to the interesting parts.
Yeah.
Let me let Gaga take the lead. Anything you say now, I will use later in
I know, I'm pretty
vlog.
skeptical on what to say. Like I am.
Okay, switching over to Gaga. I'm gonna fix the camera on my chest mount for now. So, Gaga, take it on.
So you want me to just keep talking?
Yep, just keep talking, say whatever. Greet them, introduce yourself, and all of that.
Hey guys, my name is Gaga. Well, everybody calls me Gaga, but the actual name is Graciela. Oh, your thingy's up. Yeah. Well, hope you won't be mentioning how I got the pays, eh?
Yo, it's all part of the fun, though. That's what makes vlogs interesting, I guess.
Oh, I guess you recorded the whole thing on yours.
Yeah, I was recording the whole thing on mine.
Yeah. Beep beep.
All right, let's keep going. We're gonna try to pick up the pace for a little bit, and I'm gonna give you a signal
Yeah.
when I want to pass the conversation over to you.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just gonna, I don't know, wave or something. So let me go ahead of you
Sour.
so I can get in the shot. All right, so this is Not.So.Burundian here, coming to you yet again with another episode, trying out something different today. I am riding with Gaga. Y'all can, for those of you that know her on Instagram, then, you know, I guess I don't have to introduce her to
I
you.
want to hear what he's talking about.
But we've been doing this riding thing for quite a while now. This is our third ride. Third ride, same destination, same road. First time we started off at Blue Men's Beach, but then came to realize that we missed out on about 2 kilometers. And so we took it further back to BORABORA, and that way we can have the full 24 kilometers round trip, which isn't that much. It isn't that much for the both of us. I'm fit, she's pretty fit too. I guess we could push 30, meaning 15 kilometers one way. And so, yeah, but I don't want to talk too much. Let me switch the conversation over to Gaga again and have her talk to you guys.
He's not talking much, but I think he's talking a lot.
Your turn.
For someone who said you didn't want to talk much, you had a lot to say.
Now, you introduced yourself first, by the way.
Oh, I actually did.
Yeah.
I did earlier. You want
I
me
did
to
second.
redo it?
Huh?
Want me to redo it?
Not really. Just keep it going.
Okay.
Shout out to your peeps. Yo, just let it flow naturally.
Okay. The Taiji Mama.
Now it.
Well, it's my first time ever being in a vlog or participating or whatever. So I really don't know. I mean, I thought it didn't take much, but I guess for content, it has to be just right. So it's kind of interesting, this whole process. Yeah.
Okay, you know, right now, as you're talking, right now, this is content. At this moment, right now.
Okay, let's keep it going then.
I mean, this is your third ride. You can talk about that, your experience so far with the whole thing.
Fair. I can't wait to talk about my scariest part.
Scariest part, girl cycling, the comments you've been getting on the road.
Oh, yeah.
See? See?
Okay. Listen, I get all that. It's just not flowing as naturally as I hoped.
Nah, I think it's because I'm near you.
Imagine if
makes you nervous.
This was a podcast and I didn't know what to say. There'd be a lot of cut.
It's all on you now.
Yeah. Okay. Well, one of the interesting things about riding in the morning is how you get to see people going to work. Look at this lady. She's like working early, hustling.
And by the way, We are super slow today.
So, hey, she just said hello. Well, but she's a tough woman. She's waking up really early, feed the kids, and the kids are going to school. Yeah, I mean, you get a glimpse of what the day-to-day life of a Burundian looks like, at least the majority. This area is quite considered a bougie area. Like Blumen is quite a, okay, I don't know how to turn the camera, but anyways, it's considered like a bougie restaurant, but it's on this side. But there's also people who can't necessarily afford that place. But anyways, yeah. Oh, on our first day we parked our car at Luca Beach.
I recorded that house before. It's an Airbnb.
Yeah, well, as a female rider, you get a lot of stares. People stare at me. Oh, I guess this is when I'm supposed to wake up, 6:15. Not bad. But anyways, yeah. Anyways, I was saying, as a female rider, you get a lot of stares from people. Some people compliment me, other people just stare. I mean, I've never really gotten any bad comment. If anything, people are impressed. Probably mainly for my weight to manage this whole thing. But yeah, I have to say, being back from America, I've lost a lot of weight. Probably helpful. Mahoro. Mizinez, Nisawa. See, it's beautiful. You get to interact with people.
You can switch it over to me anytime you want to.
Oh,
Just
you
let
go
me
ahead.
know.
Go ahead.
Huh?
Oh, I thought you were recording.
No, we're supposed to signal each other. Were you done?
Yeah.
Oh, you were?
Sorry.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's pick up the pace.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Mahoro.
We usually ride faster than this. I guess talking and riding at the same time isn't something that she's used to. So whenever she talks, we will be dropping the pace a little. But she'll get used to it eventually though. So yeah, at a certain point, we will be calling. We want to make this a podcast, launching videos of about 20 to 30 minutes maybe, and then break them down into small parts if we have to, or release the whole episode as is.
I once read a blog about a dog shelter, so I'm guessing this dog doesn't eat shelter. Again, as we cycle ride on, like close to the ground, I guess, we get to see the individual needs of the country, the neighborhood, different things.
Gaga, so what's the podcast going to be about?
I just mentioned something.
Keep riding.
Did you see the dog?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It looks old.
I think there's this girl. What's her name? I'm forgetting. Fiona. Fiona, I don't know her last name, but I know she works with New Generation. She wrote a blog about dogs in Burundi needing like some sort of shelter, like a dog shelter. So I'm like, okay, maybe not talking about dogs, but anyways, the needs in the country. Maybe, nah, okay. He doesn't agree.
I want to be the sentimental guy when it comes to street dogs, but.
Okay, wait, explain more.
Oh well, I don't want to lose my audience or anything.
Okay.
But.
Wait, what do you mean?
I mean, is if it didn't belong to anyone, and I don't know. Okay, if you're passionate about it, yo, come do your thing. Take care of them. Who am I to
Fair.
judge you or whatever?
Okay, I guess I see where you stand by that comment.
I mean, But that dog was kind of old though. It looked like it needed to be put down even. It was in pain. Did you see it walking?
Yeah.
Let's pick up the pace, Gaga.
Okay.
We're gonna ride slowly on the way back.
So.
You know, our shortest time was like 1 hour 46 minutes.
Really?
Yep. Today I feel
gotta
like
beat that.
we're gonna do 2 hours today.
Oh, really?
Yep.
How about we beat it? Want to be in it? Want to go for it?
There's gonna be certain sections when we go quiet,
Okay.
which is expected, especially on the first day.
Okay. No, I thought you wanted to be in the front.
In the front?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll be switching it out from time to time.
Sour.
Oh gosh, I hope the camera is picking up the beauty of the scenery as we ride. Have we crossed into Gatumba just yet?
Yeah.
What are these though? Compounds?
Yeah.
Oh, animal shelter.
Yeah. It's where people, because now people can't have the cows in their homes, so they have to find them shelter elsewhere.
Oh, and this is considered one of the no animal zones? No cattle zone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cattle, yes, because these are cows. But animals and dangerous species.
We'll take the front for a little bit. I'm curious as to how, I never really calculated how long it took us to get to the border. But if our shortest ride was an hour 46 minutes round trip, then I guess a one-way journey was 1 hour 46 is that's 100 minutes. So 50 minutes for a 1 hour, a one-way. That's a long video, an extremely long video. But yeah, it's cool.
Early morning hustle.
So I don't know. I guess you guys can drop in the comments. Let us know what you want us to be talking about when every time we make these kind of videos. Whatever you guys put up, we will try to talk about as much as we can. You know, it's two brains at work.
I love that bridge.
I am sure we can cover most of the topics that you guys can think of. And if neither of us is knowledgeable or savvy in any one of the topics, then maybe, I don't know, might even invite somebody over for a ride and have them talk about the particular subject.
You want the shot with the sun behind?
The sun?
Yeah. Ride slowly. Okay, that was a terrible turn.
You can make a U-turn right now.
Okay, you were too close. That was too bad. I was hoping you'll be in it.
No, I did go in it.
You did?
Yeah.
How?
Oh, you'll see it later.
Okay. Mahoro.
Oh, I'm on hard gear.
I thought nobody walked on the bridge.
Gaga, how else would they cross from the other side?
I don't know.
Wait, hold on. How did you think that worked then?
So, I think I saw somebody's post. I think it was about taking a tuk-tuk from maybe the city to there, and then we're going across to come here. That's the Rusizi National Park. And then those guys, the policemen, were like, no, you can't walk on the bridge.
Really?
Yeah.
Shoot,
I don't know if I read it wrong or understood it wrong.
I know you can't film on the bridge.
Oh.
You can't even take pictures in that area, but touche. GoPros are unconventional, and we just got a whole video going across it.
Yeah.
So.
Well.
And they looked at us.
They did. It's
but,
the lady,
yeah.
my friend,
It took a
that
second.
I never said hello to. No.
Oh, she was there?
She was there. She was sitting. Maybe we've befriended the right people.
Nah, I have another take on that. We look slightly too official to be bothered.
Yeah.
Something about the whole look gives, I don't know, VIP.
Which look?
This look.
Oh, this look, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, thanks to you.
It's a card.
You make me look,
The lights and everything, all of that.
I know, like, we can't be messing with those people.
Yeah. And I do it on purpose, by the way.
Really?
Yeah, because we don't need the lights at this moment right now. I'm not the one to shy away from using a card, pulling out a certain card that gives me an advantage if I can.
Well, YouTuber, people who subscribed to Not.So.Burundian, you heard the man.
No, you have to in Burundi to get ahead. Everybody else does it. That's how they get ahead. So, nah.
That's debatable.
And if you don't have to use it, then it's because you.
Those guys can be loud too.
You already have a certain look to you.
Fair.
Yeah.
I don't know. I always hope I never get to pull that card.
How long have we been riding for? Let me see. Ooh, 24 minutes. Gaga?
It's good.
24?
Good too. I got it, 28. But it's good.
28 to the border. We're not even that close.
Okay. Let's
Not even
rush up
halfway. I don't
then.
think so. And a shout out to a girl that reached out to me on Twitter. Furaya Chu, I think that's her handle name on Twitter. She is interested in cycling, and so hopefully the next time we go out on a ride, she will be out here with us. I don't have a third camera, so I don't know. We'll still figure out a way to make it work though.
We can't use that old one?
Huh?
The old one?
Yeah, the old one. If I make it work. Because I know those babies tend to freeze a lot.
Take up the lead so I can put you in the shot.
Hmm? Je suis attaché, baby. Let's pick up a little bit of the pace. The ride has already lasted 26 minutes, and I was hoping to reach the border in 30 to make one video and then make a second episode on our way back. You know, kill two birds with one stone,
Yeah.
which would have been nice. Something tells me I forgot one of the extra batteries for the GoPro, I think. I don't see Gaga's shadow following me in the back, but I know she's close by. Oh yeah, so I was saying, a shout out to Mfurayachu that wants to join us. You are welcome anytime, and to whoever else that wants to join the ride. I've got extra bikes that I happen to lend out. Not lend. I happen to, what's the word I'm looking for? Bikes that that you can rent. I don't charge that much really, just $4,000 for a ride for now. But I can waive the charge if you promise to be part of the content that we make for that given day.
It's quite interesting. Strategic, I might say.
If you promise to be a part of the video shoot, then I can waive away the fee. At the moment, we can currently only do 3 bikes at a time. Gaga's car can only fit 3 bikes, I think, at most. If it were to be filled to full capacity, then just 2 bikes. 3 bikes, I mean. Any more than that, then you would have to come through with your own car. Okay, this is interesting. Rolling the tanks to their destination.
Very strategic.
Hopefully that doesn't affect the integrity of the tanks. I don't think they're brand new though. They look old.
But it is quite busy today. Oh, it was Saturday, that's why.
It's a what?
When we did this. Oh, no, it was Friday, Kurinda Day.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why there were less people. There were
But
no
it's
school.
It's only this section though.
Yeah, but still, that day we were cycling around this time, and there was practically nobody. There were few people. You know, there were kids going
That was
to
a
school.
Sunday? It was a Sunday, I think.
No, it was Friday.
Friday, yeah.
Yeah.
That's 30 minutes.
35. Hi.
Maybe we can get together.
Hi.
Oh,
Don't wanna
the
be in the
dust, eh?
dust.
I didn't see that.
Oh, I guess that's the part to wear a mask.
Are they waiting to be picked up for work?
Maybe. That's a policeman on the road
What
today.
is going on here?
Yeah. I wonder.
Okay, we're almost there, I think.
Yeah.
The last 1-2 kilometers, maybe?
Yeah. Somewhere around there.
If you want to be a part of the ride, I think anybody between 5'8" to 6 foot, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the bikes are pretty big.
Yeah.
If you are shorter than 5'8".
Well, this could always lower, like go down.
Yeah, the seat can go down, but then there's the hand reach. You would be,
Bend.
I think anybody, if you're shorter, you would be like, the experience would be sort of like riding a Harley or something. You know?
Eh.
But I don't know, I guess we have to actually fit a person that's 5'8" on it.
Yeah. Let's pace up.
Here's a challenge, nobody passes us.
Nah.
We do the passing, the overtaking.
Mahoro. Hi.
You know, I just realized you got Giant shorts.
Yeah.
Giant's a bike company, actually.
Really?
Huh?
Hi. I know how to pick them.
Nah, come on, you didn't even notice it was Giant when you picked it up.
I did from the video.
Oh, from the
last
video.
time, yeah.
Huh. Umuntu ahetse umuntu vrema kwikinga. Hell no.
When I sit,
You guys know me if you've been watching my videos. What?
I'm killing my legs
Really?
passing these guys.
Oh, we're already there though. Keep it up.
What was that?
Keep it up. We're almost there.
I know.
That burn is actually good. We're gonna be cruising on our way back, so
Yeah.
all right, let me try speeding up.
And he's carrying someone. Hi. Well, the scary
I hope you guys
part
are
commences.
enjoying the scenery to its fullest.
This track guy.
I hate that my arms have
He's
to be
trying
in
to
the way,
pass me.
but
What's going
if the camera
on?
was on my helmet,
No
then
wonder.
it
And
puts a lot of
He looks like he's not even trying.
stress on the neck. The fact that I'm bending
Hey,
already.
Nuri kuranagerageza. None
And the
kintu
camera
usiki.
just sort of makes it uncomfortable in a way.
Nibs.
Hopefully
Hey.
I didn't leave Gaga too far back. Let's see where she's at.
Inyiruka kubera ubu bariko arayitwara.
Let's make a U-turn. There she is.
Urangirishije gasiporo.
Now let's try to catch up to her. I am no pro, but
So if you want to catch a
I'm a pretty decent rider.
taxi
I
from
can hold my
Congo-Burundi,
own.
these are your guys. When I sit,
Watch me pass the both of you
I
at full speed.
Not.So.Burundian. Flexing on us. Me particularly. Hi. Gotta keep up with this guy.
Did the camera just shut down?
Hey. I think you're stopping for a bit. Hi.
What's the point of that?
butt
Is
is,
that done on purpose or
That.
the breaking of the bottles?
Should we show them?
But glass isn't as bad as plastic though, is it?
No.
No?
But it does cut you.
What's the point though? Like,
Don't know.
bottles are recyclable or they just broke accidentally. Is that thing even still recording?
I think so.
Yeah, it is. 42 minutes. The battery's almost dead though.
I wish I brought the extra one.
I think I have an extra battery.
I think you also ran out of no, memory, not battery.
I ran out of memory. I have an extra battery for this guy, not for that guy. But that's it for one
So
day
it
though.
only lasts an hour,
What?
the battery, because this was 100.
The batteries, yeah, they last about an hour, but that battery has been used though for a bit.
It said 100.
It's not as healthy as it used to be. I'm out though. That's the end of the video for me. Point it at yourself or something and say goodbye.
Okay. Should
I'm
we pull
done.
it off or?
We'll see you guys next time, huh?
Well, I have a sweaty face, so let's just leave it at you. How do I stop this?
The button is on this side. Your left.
This.
The top, yeah.